Righto, we're here at the Ocean Protect office at Loganholme. We're actually in the process of cleaning out our StormFilter cartridges. These are 29 cartridge systems from a site at an industrial area at Lytton. These are, I guess, the cartridges that have basically been pulled out and replaced. I've had the filter media cleaned out. This is actually, just as an example, this is a clean StormFilter. This stuff is highly absorbent, really good for sucking up pollution. And this stuff in here is the spent media. This has been in our cartridge system for about 18 months. It absolutely stinks, and you can visually see it. It is covered, caked in pollution. If these stormwater treatment assets weren't in the place at this industrial area near Brisbane, and if these systems weren't being appropriately maintained, this pollution would be flowing straight into Brisbane River and ultimately Moreton Bay, causing all sorts of damage. So again, without appropriate stormwater treatment asset and appropriate maintenance, this stuff goes straight into Moreton Bay.